This video series includes several videos from hikes and other adventures in the White Mountains of New Hampshire with a Sierra Club group that stayed together in a Highland Center bunkhouse. The White Mountains are very rugged. Today's hike is the easiest we completed, to Arethusa Falls. The day started out cool enough for jackets and warmed up later. The weather in the White Mountains can change quickly, so we all carried gear for rain or extreme weather conditions.